Simonsayz, the way that I run them home. You can call me Babe Ruth, MVP of the year. Tossing baseballs, homie, ball hard in the game, getting base.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell. That way you're not missing any videos that are upcoming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. And thank you for becoming a beautiful creator where you're expressing your beauty in your own unique way. And so now let's go ahead and get right into the video today. As you know by the title, I will be talking about some of the things that we do sell, as well as spilling some tea of what's coming up. Real quick before we get into that, I do want to do that self promo. I am wearing Bellini on my lips, and it's been on all day. It's very high shine, moisturizing. All of our lip glosses, as well as our lip scrubs, pretty much all of our lip products, period. They're very moisturizing. They don't leave any like white residue around your lips. They aren't harsh. They're all natural. They're vegan friendly and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So, as you know, we do sell lip glosses. And so here are the 5 that we have right now. Oh. And these are 10 milliliter lip glosses. So you have vodka, you have margarita, hurricane, mojito, and Bellini. Yes, they're named after alcohol, but there is no alcohol in here. Like, no alcohol beverages at all. You cannot get drunk, you cannot get high. These are just names. But these are made of all natural products. And if you looked on our Instagram at SimonsayzCreations, we do have our 420 lip glosses, which are the liquid marijuana. That has no marijuana in it. It's just the name, and it is glow in the dark. Next thing we have are our lip scrubs. These are named after the lip glosses, so these kind of go as a pair. These are considered our OG5 collection. So you have the OG5 collection lip scrub, and you have the OG5 collection lip gloss. The lip glosses are clear, except for you will get a brown hint with the hurricane, but other than that, all the lip glosses are clear. Unless you want to build it up to get a tint to it, you can. The lip scrubs, they do not stain your lips. Yes, there is food coloring in some of them, but they don't stain your lips. They are you only need a little bit to go a long way to exfoliate the dead skin off your lips. You can either wipe it off or you can lick it off. These are edible, but don't eat too much, definitely if you have high blood pressure or prone to diabetes, because it is made of sugar, FYI. So before moving on to the other things that we sell, I do want to do, should I say, tea number 1. We are going to be selling our established necklaces. I have been wearing it for about maybe 2 weeks now. It hasn't tarnished, it hasn't broken. I slept in it, I showered in it, nothing. So if you like these, definitely leave a comment down below. And give us an idea of what are some of the years that we should automatically sell and be in stock for on our website. So that's tea number 1. Only y'all know that these are coming out. So the next thing that we do sell are instant manicures. So basically, instant manicures are press-on nails that you can put on if you go into a fancy event, or just you don't want acrylic and you just want press-on nails. So we have different kinds. These are mine. You have the neon yellow or the highlighter yellow, the Lucky Bee green. You have some with chrome and diamonds. You have Kayla Sky, which is the royal blue with the gold accent nail. And you have more with diamonds. So on our website, we do have some that's already up there that you can choose from. You would just select the size that you want. Or you can select custom order and you just send us a picture of the nails that you want. We can let you know if we can make it or not. And then we just go from there, and you just choose your pricing. One thing about the instant manicures, they can last up to 2 weeks depending on how you use them. Your nails are not tools, so if you prep your nails good, then it will last longer. You do have the option of using glue, or the nail adhesive tabs that do come in the kit. We also sell the Amazon. I might be getting a package. But we also sell the True Fit kit, which comes with all 10 sizes. That way you can find your true snatch nails. So we have that. And if you just need an extra manicure set, we have a manicure set for you that comes with a file, a cuticle pusher, and alcohol wipes. So we have that for you as well. Our basic instant manicures run for about $10, and then it goes up from there depending on what kind of designs you get or however. So now, a little insight is that we are testing out, I'm testing out some wand tubes, but soon enough we're going to come out with some pigmented lip glosses. So these are lip glosses that are very pigmented, that looks like lipstick, but they're not. They're just gloss. And they're going to come in a wand tube, if I can find the correct wand tube, as well as a squeeze tube. Just like in the squeeze tubes. So leave a comment down below if you do like these colors, if you would buy these, and which one is your favorite, or what colors I should add as a pigmented lip gloss. Okay, and then the last thing, and this is for my nail babes especially. So in my last video I stated that I was testing something out. So basically what I did is I made a cuticle oil. I was testing it out to see how my nails will react to it, if it works or not. So one thing I can tell you, that this cuticle oil works. Look how long, and I did this on purpose. Look how long my nails have gone. This is so far the longest my nail has been. And it doesn't bend, and it's very strong. So, I haven't done it on this hand. I was only testing it on this hand to see. But you can tell how this hand, yeah, they're there, but they're not long, and they're flimsy. See? They're very flimsy. I don't know if you can see that. This one isn't. So I'm definitely going to put them on this hand. The cuticle oil, there's going to be 2 flavors. You're going to have a rose one and a peppermint one, depending on your liking. And pretty much, yeah, they're all made with natural oils. So the cuticle oil will prevent you from getting dry, cracked cuticles. It would nourish your nails to where they're not yellowing, and they get stronger. So the nail hairs get stronger to grow longer and firm. And so yeah, so that's pretty much everything that we're selling at our store. I hope you do enjoy. We do have t-shirts coming soon, so stay tuned for that. You definitely don't want to miss those. I think those are bomb. We're just waiting for our inventory to come in. But yeah, if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below. If you want to see something on our site that we should sell, leave a comment down below. I can definitely work on that and see what's going on and how we can make that happen. Because we definitely want you to be a customer at SimonsayzCreations.com, and also share with your friends. So if you really like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like, or just to say, hey, I love to engage with our unique full family. And don't forget to take care and stay safe while we're in this quarantine phase. And don't forget your mask. Take care, and I hope I see y'all soon.
The way that I run them home, you can call me Babe Ruth, MVP of the year, tossing baseballs, homie, ball hard in the game, getting base.